everyone, my name is J. Nimesh Raj. Today I am going to speak about thousands of brave people fought for India's freedom from British rule. Mahatma Gandhi led non-violent movements like Satyagraha. Subhash Chandra Bose formed Indian National Army. Bhagat Singh Indian National Army.
பார்த்துட்டேன்டா பார்க்காம சொல்கிறவனு பார்க்காம இதே வேலை தாண்டா உனக்கு
Rani Lakshmibai, Queen of Jhansi, who fought in the 1857 revolt. Aruna Asaf Ali, famous for hoisting the flag during the Quiet India movement. Begum Asrat Mahal fought against British forces in Awadh. Rani Velu Nachiyar, early queen who fought the British in Tamil Nadu. Mangal Pandey sparked with the early anger in the revolt of 1857. Bhagat Singh, fearless revolutionary who gave his life for independence. Thank you.